Hello everyone, we are from group 2 and now we want to present our project called Comic Website. First of all, let me introduce me and my teammate. My name is Ricardo Agung Basana and my teammate Sadam Muhamad Hizbullah. About this project, we made this project because we consider how important reading a book is. But not everyone like or enjoy reading a book or a novel because it's too long and can take a lot of time to finish reading the book. And reading the book, like a novel or a magazine, can be boring too. Sometimes people want to refresh their mind by reading a comic, but nowadays it's difficult to search the comic that you want. And if we get it, and the comic have so many series, it will take space in our room. So, in this digitalization era, we make this website so that people can search the comic that they want to read, and it can be accessed easily. And if the comic have a lot of series, that they don't have to worry about the space in their room or in their house. About the system analysis and the database, my friend Sadam will explain it. We just jump into the flowchart. This is the main flowchart. After we apply the link, it's gonna display username and password. So we have to input our username and our password, and then the system will accept username and password, and it's gonna ask option data terverifikasi data is yes or no. If it no, it's gonna display tidak bisa login. So we have to sign in up to enter the system, and then if it yes, it's gonna display daftar, cari, and koleksi. And then we have to choose one from that three. Then this is gonna accept option, and then if option equals daftar, if it yes, it's gonna run the daftar process and then end. If it no, it's gonna as again option equals cari. If it yes, it's gonna run the cari process and it's gonna end. And if it no, it's gonna asking one more time. Option equals koleksi. If it yes, it's gonna run the koleksi process and then end. And if it still no, it's gonna go to the point A, which is the display daftar, cari, and koleksi. And then this is the daftar flowchart. And then this is the process of daftar. It's going to display judul or title. It's going to display penulis or author. It's going to display penerbit or publisher. And it's going to display sampul or cover. We have to input those 4 points, and then the system going to accept it. Then it's going to return. Then this is the cari or search flowchart. This is the process. Cari. It's going to display masukkan judul buku. We have to input the judul buku, and then the system is going to accept it. And then we have an option. Option equals edit. If it yes, it's gonna go to the daftar flowchart, daftar process, because the mechanism of edit is same with the mechanism in daftar process. If it now, it's gonna as option equals hapus. If it yes, it's gonna display data berhasil dihapus. So the comic will be deleted from the database and from the website too. Then it's gonna return. But if it no, it's gonna go to the point B, which is display masukkan judul buku. And then this is the last flowchart, the koleksi or collection. This is the process collection. It's gonna display list comic, and then there will be a lot of comic, and we have to click it uh, one comic, and then the system gonna accept our choice. And then the process is same like the Chari flowchart. Uh, Option equals edit. If it yes, it's gonna go to the daftar process. If it no, it's gonna go to the option equals hapus or delete. If it yes, it's gonna display data berhasil dihapus and then return. If it no, it's gonna go to the pointer C, which is display this commit. Then from the application input and running the project, my friend Sadam will explain and will run it. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
About our project, we made a comic website that able to create, read, update, and delete the comics, and we also made a encrypted password for the login and about the register. Also, we have send email if the user start to register to our site. In this project, we are using HTML for our front end, and for the back end, we using PHP, and for the framework, we using Code Igniter 4. Also, for the database, we using MySQL. About the database, we using two database. There are for the users and the last for the comics itself. Let's see to the our database first. In here, we can see it about our database. Uh, let's wait. Okay, this about the structure. We have the ID, the email, the username, and the password hash. It means for the hashing password or the encrypted password. So if we see to our password, it will put the random character like this. And the second database that we use is about the comic itself. We have the structure, we have the ID, we have the title, slug, for the link, the writer, the publisher, the image for the comic itself, and created by who, and created at what date, and updated at what date, like that. So we have two separate table database. Okay, let's begin for the this web page first. This our as our landing page. So before the user can use our website, they must do login it first. If we don't have the account, we can start to press need an account. Also, for the registering and login method, we using the separate library from the meet out library. So we just need to import to our project. So in here, we gonna input about our email first. Put our email, the username, let's say my name, the password. Okay, if we done, make sure everything is alright, then we press register. Okay, they give us the error. That means password cannot contain rehash personal information. So we gonna change to another password like it seems the server is busy. Just wait. Okay, in here we can see that please confirm your account by clicking the activation link that the email we have sent. In here, we just wait about our email in here. Okay, here we can see that the confirmation. So we need to activate our account by pressing the button in email. So we just need to press the activate button. Okay, welcome aboard. Please log in with your new credential. We can close this one and change it to this. So we're gonna input our details like that we already input in our register page. Also, let's see to the table user to make sure that our data already input to our database. Okay, we can see this one, the new the new account. Okay, this is about our first that we have been successfully to log into our website. In here we can see they will greeting us, hi, that our name, and we have three different tabs there for the registering the comic itself, to find and to see what our comics that we registered. For the search button, it's for the searching another comics that uh, not coming from us but coming from the other user. Okay, this comic, and let's find some uh, picture for the comic that we must prepare before. Let's say we find the Naruto image. We're gonna take this and save image. This picture actually for the creating our project, for the creating the comics. Okay, place it carefully in pictures. Okay, in here save. Okay. Okay, now let's put to our name. The title is the Naruto. The writer, let's say to this one. For the publisher, we can use Kodansha for the name. And let's choose the file from this that our download before. Let's navigate to pictures and find it. Where is it? Okay. Okay. We can see uh, the picture, the preview picture thumbnail. So input. Okay. We can see our comic detail has been show up. We can check the detail and we can check to our database. Here we just have three random data, and now we need to refresh to see the new item. We can edit in here, we can delete, but let's see to other let's see another time. Okay, successfully we can see the item that already input before, so we can edit. Let's say we change the name into another name. Let's say we replace the name with this, and everything lives as it should be. Okay, the name already changed, and we can check to our database. Okay, in here we can see that the name already changed before. And then let's say we want to find another item. In here we gotta find this item. Okay, let's say we want to find this item. uh, it's not met from us, but from the another user. We can find them, but we unable to edit their data or to delete. So let's check it. It seems the my PC runs slower. Don't know why. Okay. In here we can say if you want to delete the data, it's the data that not coming from you. You can, because when we do delete it, it will prevent us to delete it. See, we can change this data. Also comes with edit. We can see. We can edit their data either edit or delete. But for the comments from coming from us, we can change it. We can edit like that before that we did before. Also, let's try to delete the data. Okay, the data successfully deleted. Let's say to our database. The data has gone. It means we successfully to delete the data. To find and okay, that's all the explanation about our website. Thank you for your attention.